So finally we have arrived at Särna Camping. We arrived a little bit late. This truck is driving at a speed of 15 km per hour, and there are a lot of old cars in this town. So looks like there is some kind of festival for old cars. There were so many old cars we just passed, and now you see in front strange kind of cars here. So something is happening in this town, but we are stuck. Our speed right now is 16 km per hour. We are going to have a beautiful view. Look at here. On both sides we have now this sea water or lake water, whatever. And this is a good picnic spot as well. Some people are waiting here. I think they have put their tent here. So this is the place we can also have tent. So finally we have arrived at Särna Camping. We arrived a little bit late and the weather is cloudy, as you can see up. It will be rain tonight, and when we arrived at the reception we asked them, can we find a stuga tent area like this. And we also checked some other camping areas around in the nearby locations. No one was taking the phone. So finally we decided to actually deploy a tent here. So these are our two tents. We actually have three tents. We have one more. We just left Särna camping place at Rättvik. Now we are going to Särna. It's called Särna Camping. I think we will stay at Särna Camping, so there we will deploy our camps. We have to be there before 9 o'clock. Otherwise, we have to sleep on the road or somewhere. We normally don't do advance booking. Many people do advance booking, but normally we avoid advance booking because you never know when you need a camp, and there are so many camps in Sweden. You can just make a phone call at your way. They will tell you how to get the keys. As you can see now, it's raining already. So the rain has started. That means we will try our best to book stuga. I hope the places are still available. Otherwise, we can still deploy the tent, but in rain, it's difficult to manage. We have good tents, so they will work in rain, so no problem, but it will make things hard. We have to make sure that everything is clean as well. So it's not easy to put a tent in the rain, especially if you want to do it for one day. But it's raining and it's going to rain. Right now it's raining pretty heavy. Are you going to enjoy rain, Mome? Should we have a camp, tent or a stuga?
Yes.
No, what? Stuga? You don't want to sleep under the rain?
Yes.
You don't want to enjoy rain?
Yes.
I think it's more fun to sleep in a tent during rain.
Yes.
Don't know which place is this, but it looks beautiful. Suburban area, some small town, and they have water as well. as usual in the middle of the city on the right side, but you don't see because there are houses. I can see that, and we saw before that as well in the GPS. I think you will see it now. Yeah, we are going to cross some bridges soon, and then you will see the water, the lakes. Yeah, you see that now on our right side. I don't know what the town name is, I could not read, but maybe you can read that if you see in the camera. I think there will be a lot of markings on the road. This road is going to Reårås, but this town is not Reårås. It's very hard to pronounce the Swedish words for me, and maybe for you as well. Looks like there is also a camping place on the left side. There's a lot of husbil waiting there. Yeah, it's a camping area, camping hotel, but this camping hotel is not on the same standard as the other camping at Cillian Lake. This is more like a private camping, small camping area. If you need privacy, you can come here. But I don't know the name of this place. I think later on we will look into the map. But there are a lot of superstores here. We saw many superstores on our way, and just now we have few here as well. So maybe this is a town of reasonable size. On our way to Särna, we are now stuck behind this big truck. They are driven by two girls. Of course, one girl is driving, the second is sitting in with her, and this truck is driving at a speed of 15 km per hour, and there are a lot of old cars in this town. So looks like there is some kind of festival for old cars. There were so many old cars we just passed, and now you see in front strange kind of cars here. So something is happening in this town, but we are stuck. Our speed right now is 16 km per hour. And this is a small town. Somehow the GPS brought us here. So I think there was some construction on the highway, so we took the side road, and now we are stuck in some town, and from last half an hour we are passing at this speed, about less than 20 km per hour. And I don't know why this truck is not moving, giving me the way, and they have even the red symbol on the back of the truck, and the driver is woman. So I think that is also one problem. I don't want to make a siren. But I think it's some kind of festival. You see, there are so many old cars here on my left side. Every car is old car. So probably some kind of festival. I will try to cross this truck, but it's too risky. And they are also making a video. The people sitting in front of me in the truck. I just saw a camera. I don't want to be late. because we don't have much time. The sun is going to set soon. There's beautiful place on the left side, some kind of a park, but I think my wife is too late to move her camera to that place. Now we have crossed the town, but the truck is still in front of us. I have to now, thanks God, it's moving. Bye bye. राउंड अबाउट करके वो तो वापस जा रही है. Thanks to Allah that we are now free. That truck has gone, and now we are moving ahead. And the scenery on my left side you can see is very beautiful. It's a lake here, the branch of some lake. Probably it's the same lake that is coming from Ratvik. But again, we have no idea. I showed you the map of the Cillian Lake, so it's probably the same lake, Cillian Lake, some branch of it. We have a beautiful scenery here. It's a small lake. It's not a lake, it's like a canal, small canal. And this road is straight going to Särna. We are just like 40 minutes away from Särna. I don't know how many kilometers, probably 60-70 kilometers. Sun has started shining again. It's so nice view here. Green, lush trees, straight road, neat and clean environment, cloudy weather, and sometimes it rains and sometimes the sun shines. And on our right side is a small canal. It looks like a pure canal, but you don't see that it's behind the trees, but you will see now soon, because this canal is going to widen up soon. Särna is just about 62 kilometers from here. I could read that it's so nice place on the right side. The road is very thin, but the speed limit is 90. This place looks like Norway. In Norway we have view something like this. We have on one side sea, is the sea on the west side, Atlantic Ocean, and then we have road on the west coast, and then there are waterfalls coming from the mountains. So you have these three things together. Here we don't have as big mountains as in Norway, but there is mountains on the right side, and then there is a road, and then on the left or on the right side there is sea. On the left side there is mountain. We are going to have a beautiful view. Look at here. On both sides we have now this sea water. or lake water, whatever. And this is a good picnic spot as well. Some people are waiting here. I think they have put their tent here. So this is the place we can also have tent if we want. But there will be no light here. No electricity. There will be light here, I think, but no electricity. And there were two huge built there. So I think those huge built, they are going to stay there because they had all the furniture up outside, table and chairs, and it's really nice view. Finally, we have arrived in Särna. This is the Särna area. So Särna has already started. There was a board there about Särna. We just passed, and I think within a few minutes away we will find out our camping place. So Abdullah, are you happy now? We are now very near to Särna Camping. I think the camping is on this road, few minutes away. Let's see how it is. I hope we don't get any surprise. I hope it should be good. It's on the right side if I am correct. Just continue. I think we will see it soon. Särna Camping place. Let's see how does it look. We have not even seen pictures on the internet. There was no time. And there's a huge difference between different kind of camping places here. So this was the closest camping area near to our mountain, which we will go there for hiking tomorrow. So this is the reception. So we are here at the camping place. Let's find out what's available. 24-hour check-in. So we were at reception, but they told us due to rain, all the stugas, all the rooms have gone, and only the places where we can put tent, they are available. So we have no other choice but to put the tent here. So we will be doing camping, and it will be raining tonight. So we are going to sleep under the rain. And let's see how it goes. We have to hurry up before it gets dark. So see you soon. Bye bye. It's going to be fun tonight because we are going to sleep under the rain in an open area. And we don't have a huge wheel, but we have tents like these guys. We are not very good in deploying good big tents, but let's see how it goes. I think it will be fine. We have quickly deployed our two tents. We have three tents basically, but I think two are enough for us because it will be rain tonight, so we do not need an extra tent. Two will be enough, and we are more or less ready. This tent we just bought, one of them we bought yesterday, and it takes 2 minutes to deploy. So finally we have arrived at Särna Camping. We arrived a little bit late, and the weather is cloudy, as you can see up. It will be rain tonight. And when we arrived at the reception, we asked them, can we find a stuga? A stuga is like a room, built-in room. I have talked about that in another video clip, but they told us in the reception everything like stuga has gone because it is going to be rain tonight, and the only place they have left is tent area like this. And we also checked some other camping areas around in the nearby locations. No one was taking the phone. So finally we decided to actually deploy a tent here. So these are our two tents. We actually have three tents. We have one more, but we are not going to deploy that. These two are enough for us. And if we want to have lot of free space for every kid, then we have one more. But since it's going to rain, I think we don't need to deploy another tent. So this is the service area. Here there are toilets and showers and also kitchen place. And some people have house peel, some people have only tents. And you can see there is a beautiful area. There is a lake there. Probably it is Cillian Lake. I think so. It's a little bit cold now. Let's see how it works tonight for us. So here you can see these are stugas, but all these places have gone. No more empty space available. Now we have to sleep under an open sky under the rain. But it's nice. It will be a lot of adventure for tonight. Children are always very happy when you come to places like this. There are also some play areas for children, and my kids are there. So they are just busy in playing actually at that site. This is the service area. It's really very neat and clean. Kitchen is very neat and clean, and the shower area is very neat and clean, and the toilets are very neat and clean. And there my kids are playing. So this area is pretty neat and clean. And you can see here, there's not a single sign of garbage on the ground. It's so nice, so neat and clean. I hope in Pakistan land someday will be so nice and clean. It's all about people, common people. Okay, Allah Hafiz. So this is the kitchen area where people can cook and eat. This is the shower area. You can take shower here, and then on the back side there are toilets. That is the big room to eat, but I'm not showing you the big room because there are also other people around. My kids have found a library here. It's not library but small bookshelf in the kitchen. So this is end of the kitchen area. Now we need to plan for tonight. So see you next time. If you like this video, please share this video to the whole world. Spread this video everywhere. We are confident that this channel is going to have a huge impact. This channel is going to change some of the lives of the people. So please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned. Thank you to all of you. Goodbye.